Here's some Umberto Eco trivia. Subscribe. What is the title of Umberto Eco's first novel? Is it A, The Name of the Rose, B, Foucault's Pendulum, C, The Prague Cemetery, or D, Bodolino? The correct answer is A, The Name of the Rose. What is the occupation of Umberto Eco? Is it A, painter, B, poet, C, journalist, or D, novelist? The correct answer is D, novelist. What genre does Foucault's Pendulum belong to? Is it A, historical fiction, B, horror, C, fantasy, or D, romance? The correct answer is A, historical fiction. What narrative technique is prominent in Eco's writing? Is it A, intertextuality, B, symbolism, C, stream of consciousness, or D, magical realism? The correct answer is A, intertextuality. Which university did Eco attend for his education? Is it A, Harvard University, B, University of Turin, C, Oxford University, or D, Stanford University? The correct answer is B, University of Turin. What is Eco's nationality? Is it A, Spanish, B, Italian, C, French, or D, German? The correct answer is B, Italian. What technology did Eco often discuss in his essays? Is it A, virtual reality, B, digital publishing, C, artificial intelligence, or D, mass media? The correct answer is D, mass media. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.